Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create multiple roles in the application and also how you can assign different users to different accounts. So once you log into the application, go to dashboard. Under dashboard you need to click on create new and assume that you are creating an auditor. You can select the auditor in the drop down. If you are selecting auditor, the user will have access to all the tabs except the dashboard. So he will have access to quick actions, master account, transaction and filings. He will not have access to dashboard. Only the admin user will have access to all the tabs. You can see it on the screen. And if it is an auditor, he will not have access to dashboard. And if you are creating a normal user, he will not have access to dashboard and filings. He can see only quick actions, master account and transactions on the screen once the user logs in as a normal user. So I will show you one auditor role which I am creating as an admin. So to create different roles, you need to log in as an admin. Admin is a new user who has created this account, who has created the primary account will have the admin access. So here I am giving auditor 1 as the name of the auditor, or you can give any name if you want. Okay, so this is the auditor name. Username, if you want to give same, you can do so. Email ID of the person whom you are giving as auditor. Password, you can set the password and you need to inform the user about the password. So user, I will change the username to auditor itself. So when do we do this is, assume that if you want your auditor to see the filing information for your company, you are updating all the details, your sales, transaction, purchases and everything, and if you want your auditor to review that and do the filing, you would create an auditor role. So that you would create this role and inform your auditor with the username and the password, so that when the auditor logs in with this username and password, he can see all the details for your company once he logs in except the dashboard, and the filings he can download the file and he can do the filing on behalf of you. That is when you create a auditor role. So I will show you this. Once you click on submit, the role is created. Since I've already created an auditor role here, and for this particular subscription only one auditor role can be created, it is giving me the pop-up message. I will create one normal user now. So once you click on submit, the user is created. Now I will show you how you can assign different user roles to the GSTINs. Assume that if you have multiple GSTINs and if you want to restrict the access of GSTINs for particular users to particular GSTINs, you can do it by adding the users to the GSTINs. To do so, you need to go to again dashboard. Under dashboard you need to click on manage now. Once you click on that, you can see this particular field, assign users. Here you can see the users which you have created for this account, and you can select the users whom you want to add it. In this example, we have created Sanjay as a normal user, and if you want to give Sanjay access to this particular company GST tax calculator engine, you can just select his name from the drop down and you can click on update company details. So he has been added as a normal user for this account. So once you log in with that particular details, you will be able to see only one particular GSTIN for which you have added this user. I will show you how. Now I have added Sanjay as a user. See, you can see only one GSTIN under his name. The reason being, he has been added to only one GSTIN by the admin, so he can see only this particular GSTIN once he logs in, and he can see only 3 tabs. Since he is a normal user, he will be able to see only 3 tabs here. So now what I will do is, I will add him to 2 different GSTINs, and then I will show you how he can select the GSTIN when he logs in. Again, I am going to dashboard. I am going to manage now. I am going to regional offices, and I am going to edit this company 1. I am adding here, I am adding Sanjay, and I will click on update office. Now I will log in as a normal user, again as Sanjay. You can see that once I log in as Sanjay, it will ask me which GSTIN I want to log into. In the previous login, it directly logged into this particular GSTIN. The reason being, there was only one GSTIN which was assigned for this user. Since we have added one more, currently it is showing 2 GSTINs, so I need to select which GSTIN currently I want to log in and create the transaction. However, if after login, if you want to change the GSTIN, or if you want to create a transaction for the other GSTIN, you can do so by selecting that particular GSTIN from the drop down here. So now I will show you, I will log in as a auditor, and I will show you what are the different tabs an auditor can see. So now I am logging in as an auditor. So as an auditor, as I already told you, you can see 4 tabs. You can see all the tabs except the dashboard, and the main purpose of giving this access to auditor is to do the filings on behalf of your customer. You can see that. You can generate the files and GSTR files, and he can do the filing. The process of adding the auditor is also same as the process of adding a normal user. You just have to select the user type as auditor when you are creating the auditor role. Thank you.